Hi, I'm the Introverted Affiliate, and this video is about how I got my Walmart Spark account deactivated and how you can avoid making the same mistake that I did. So everything was going good, and I was using my Spark app about to make a delivery when all of a sudden my order just disappeared and the app showed my account was deactivated, and then I got this notification. Report of alleged incident. On September 13th, 2023, a store or customer reported that you did not check for valid ID when delivering an alcohol order or delivered an alcohol order to an intoxicated person. Not checking for valid ID and or delivering alcohol to an intoxicated person is a violation of the Spark Driver app terms of use. Refer to the Spark Driver terms of use in the account tab of your Spark Driver app for details, and you may view frequently asked questions at driveforspark.walmart.com. Access to your Walmart Spark Driver app has been deactivated due to failure to meet service level standards. Should you wish to have this decision revisited, please contact sparkdriverappeals@walmart.com. Now, what I think happened was I did an alcohol delivery to a bar, and when I got there, the bartender told me the owner of the bar was not there. In Missouri, a person must be 21 years old to work in a bar, so I just assumed it was okay to deliver the alcohol to the bar without checking the ID of the owner. Wrong. What happened was, since I could not enter the ID information in the Spark app, I was not able to complete the order, so I had to call the Spark number and tell them I was not able to check the ID because the bar owner was gone, and that was my big mistake. I should have never said that I failed to check the ID. See, there were a few other times when I delivered alcohol to a restaurant and the owner was not there, but in those cases, I called Spark afterwards and told them my phone wasn't working, so they closed out the order for me and it worked. A few other times, I had to deliver alcohol and my phone wasn't able to scan the person's ID, but I could see they were old enough, and rather than stand there and enter in all the person's information manually, which is a big pain, I just checked their ID and then I called Spark later and said their app wasn't working, so they closed out the order for me. If I could go back and do Spark again, I would never do any alcohol orders. You can get terminated in an instant with no warning. If the person you deliver to reports that you failed to check their ID, you're done just like that. If you call Spark afterwards and the person you get decides they think you failed to check the ID, you're done. It's just not worth the risk. Don't make the same mistake like me. I will never do another alcohol delivery because it's too easy to get reported if you make a mistake, or the app doesn't work right, or the person you call at Spark doesn't understand what you were saying and they just decide to deactivate you. Since I lost Spark, I'm going to try out some other delivery apps like DoorDash or some other delivery services and see how those work out.